Big news could be on the way. There's talk that the Reserve Bank of Australia may be ready to cut interest rates as early as next week. If they do, that'll be the first time since November 2020 that rates have cut at all. But what does that actually mean for you and your home loan? Should you rush out and refinance? Well, let's take a minute to break that down. So firstly, if the Reserve Bank do reduce interest rates, banks aren't required to follow suit, but they probably will. If they don't, there's going to be some real bad press and bad media out there for them. So it's likely that whatever the Reserve Banks do, your lender is going to pass that rate reduction onto you in full. If your lender does drop their rate and you've got a variable home loan, your rate and your repayments will automatically decrease. There's nothing that you need to do. For my clients, we already do regular rate reviews every 6 to 12 months, so it's likely that you're on a pretty competitive interest rate anyway, and there's no urgent need to rush out and refinance. However, if the RBA do continue to cut interest rates over time, then lenders might start not necessarily passing that full rate cut on in full, or they may come out and offer lower interest rates to new clients to try and attract new business into the bank. And if that starts to happen, then a refinance may make sense. But here's what I don't want you to do. You don't want to go out and rush around and start making refinance inquiries. One, it's potentially going to unnecessarily harm your credit score. Two, a refinance could end up costing you more in discharge fees than you're going to save from the refinance rate reduction itself. Instead, if you're wondering what it means to you, let's have a quick chat first. I'll make sure you're getting the best deal without that hassle. There's a link in the comments below. Feel free to click that link, book in a time, and we can just have a chat in a bit more detail about where your home loan stands right now and what it's going to look like in the future if the Reserve Bank do drop interest rates next week, and if they start to do that more regularly over the course of the next 6 months or so. Thanks for your time, guys. We'll chat soon.